If you're trying to choose between Canva and Adobe Express in 2025, this video is going to make your decision simple. Whether you're a content creator, small business owner, student, or designer, both tools claim to be the best for fast and modern design. But today, we're breaking down the truth, features, pricing, AI tools, pros and cons, so by the end of this video, you'll know exactly which one is better for you. Let's get into it. First, a quick overview. Canva is designed for simplicity, speed, and accessibility. It's perfect for non-designers who want to create social media posts, thumbnails, presentations, logos, and marketing materials quickly. Adobe Express, on the other hand, comes from Adobe, the company behind Photoshop and Illustrator, so it carries that professional DNA. While it's more beginner-friendly than other Adobe apps, it still offers a refined design experience, especially for branding and visual quality. Both are web-based, work on mobile, and offer free plans, so getting started is easy with either one. Now let's talk templates and assets. Canva completely dominates in this category with over 1 million templates and one of the largest design libraries on the internet. Photos, elements, fonts, icons, you name it. No matter what you search for, Canva probably has it. Adobe Express also offers templates, but its library is noticeably smaller. However, the templates look more professional and modern, especially for business branding. So Canva wins in quantity, while Adobe Express pushes quality. Next, AI tools. This is where the real competition begins. Canva includes features like Magic Resize, which instantly resizes designed for different social platforms, and Magic Design that creates templates based on your content. It also offers AI background remover and text-to-image tools. Adobe Express responds with Adobe Firefly AI, a very powerful engine for generating images and AI text effects. What's unique about Firefly is that it's trained on Adobe's licensed content, so you're safer when using AI images commercially. Canva's AI is more focused on speed and productivity, while Adobe's is built for creative depth. When it comes to collaboration, Canva is ahead, no question. Canva lets teams edit in real time, leave comments, manage folders, and build brand kits with fonts, colors, and logos. It's perfect for agencies, schools, and content teams. Adobe Express has added team features recently, but it's still not on Canva's level. Let's talk pricing. Canva Pro costs around $13 per month, and you get unlimited premium templates, cloud storage, AI tools, and brand kits. Adobe Express Premium is slightly cheaper at $10 per month and includes access to Adobe stock photos and Adobe fonts, which is a big deal if you want professional quality assets. Both offer good value, but Adobe Express gives a cheaper starting point for premium features. So, pros and cons time. Canva's biggest strengths are how easy it is to use, its massive template library, powerful collaboration tools, and fast workflow, but it does have limitations. Professional designers may find it less customizable, and some designs can look template-like if you're not careful. Adobe Express delivers cleaner design quality, Firefly AI effects, and access to Adobe's creative ecosystem, which is great if you already use Photoshop or Premiere Pro. But it still trails Canva in templates and team collaboration, and some tools feel less intuitive for beginners. So, which one is better? Here's the final verdict. Choose Canva if you want the best all-around design tool for everyday projects, social media, thumbnails, presentations, and business marketing with great collaboration and lots of templates. Choose Adobe Express if you want higher quality branding, professional looking visuals, and AI artwork with commercial safe usage, and especially if you already use Adobe Creative Cloud. Both tools are excellent, but for most people, Canva remains the better and more versatile option in 2025. Adobe Express is catching up fast though, and is perfect for anyone who wants a more professional finish without learning complex software. If you found this comparison helpful, hit the like button and subscribe for more honest tech and tool reviews. Let me know in the comments, are you Team Canva or Team Adobe Express? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.